Okay, so here we have our almond milk, our cinnamon sugar, our oats, and a mason jar with a lid to put all the ingredients in. We're going to start by pouring the oats. It depends how much you want. I usually do about 3 cups, but you can obviously put as little or as much as you would like. And then next I'll be adding my almond milk. Now you can add any milk you would like. I just prefer almond milk, so I'm going to be pouring that up to a little bit above where the oats stop, because I do like mine a little bit more moist. And then after I add my milk, I'm going to be pouring in a little bit of my cinnamon sugar to give a little bit more of a sweeter taste. And then I'm going to screw my lid back on, make sure it's pretty tight, and putting it in the fridge. So I will be leaving them in the fridge overnight, and in the morning I'm going to be taking them out. And I like to add some fresh fruit on the very top. I'm putting a banana, but you can obviously put strawberries, berries, mango, or you don't have to put any fruit at all, but I do like to put a little bit of fruit at the top to give it more of a flavor, sweet. And there you have it, and you're just gonna mix it all together and give it a good taste test. So for my egg muffins, I will be needing some spinach, my turkey bacon, my cheese, my avocado oil, and of course my eggs. So before we start, I'm going to be preheating my oven to 350 while I get all of my ingredients mixed in together. Then I'm going to be taking my eggs. I'm using 2, cracking them into a bowl. Now of course you can use as many eggs as you would like. I'm just doing 2 since I'll be the only one that will be eating them. Now I'm going to be taking my spinach and putting them in the bowl with my eggs. Next, my turkey bacon. I'm going to be cutting that up into small little pieces and putting that in as well. And obviously you can't forget the cheese. Now of course you can add or take out any of these ingredients. I know people put tomatoes, onions, all that good stuff. So now I'm putting all of my ingredients in a bowl, and I'm going to be mixing it up and make sure it's all evenly distributed. And then I'm going to be taking my avocado oil and just greasing my pan so that my eggs don't get stuck while cooking, and pouring them into my little muffin spots. Okay, now I'm putting them in the oven and letting them cook for about 10 minutes, but you obviously can check on them every now and then. And they're ready to be served. Enjoy! And what you will be needing is some oats, some honey. I'm using almond honey, but you can use whatever honey you would like, even agave will do. Some flaxseed for some extra nutrients. I am using Trader Joe's organic peanut butter, but you can use any peanut butter you have in your pantry. And some chocolate chips. I'm using white chocolate chips just because that's what I prefer, but you can use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, any kind you would like. So now we'll be putting all of the ingredients into a bowl. So there's no exact measurements on how much each ingredient you should put in, so I'm just going based off of how many protein balls I want to make, which isn't a ton. So I went ahead and added just a little bit of each ingredient. So now that all the ingredients are mixed together, we're going to be placing our bowl in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes just to allow it to harden, and will make it easier to roll into the balls. So we will be back in 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm going to take our bowl out of the fridge now. Here it is. Smells so good. So now what we're gonna do, I have my hands washed, so make sure you do that. So now you're really just gonna Roll them into balls, however big or small you want. There we have our ready rolled peanut butter protein bites. And what's really good about these is if you don't eat them all in one sitting, you can definitely put them in a Ziploc baggie and place them in the fridge or freezer to last longer and eat them throughout the week. Is some oats, some honey. Honey, I've never heard that word before. Honey. Ugh, let me just restart. Okay, so we will be making no bake peanut butter protein bites, and what you will be needing is some, what are these called?